Hi, I'm Sarah Sedwick. Welcome to my studio. I've been having a blast painting here at home, but I don't know about you, I'm ready to get back to painting with other artists. So I'm really excited today to tell you about my upcoming workshop at Scottsdale Artist School. It's going to be April 27th through the 30th, 4 days, lots of painting, and all the highlights from my two favorite painting workshops, Dynamic Still Life and Oil Painting Boot Camp. So we're going to do some of my favorite exercises for loosening up our brushwork and really getting that loose, realistic quality that we want into our paintings. And of course, we're going to talk a lot about color mixing. So it's coming up in a couple weeks, April 27th through the 30th in Scottsdale, Arizona at Scottsdale Artist School. There are a few spots still left. It's going to be a nice, intimate, small group in a big, airy studio, and all the COVID precautions will be in place. So I hope you'll join me. Check out all the information, and I'll see you there.